Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Traditional. Today our topic is PCOD. If you are a first viewer of our channel, kindly watch the video. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe it. Now we go to video. PCOD. Nowadays so many of the girls and women were suffered by this PCOD. Because of this, some of the women doesn't have a children, so they want to completely relieved from this disorder. So I have to give a small and brief diet for them. If you need a complete PCOD diet, kindly contact me. My mail ID will be in the description. Okay. Now I split this into four phases. Phase 1 will be the definition. Phase 2 will be the causes and symptoms of the PCOD. Phase 3 will be the prevention and treatment, and last but not least, phase 4 will be the diet. Okay, now phase 1. What is mean by PCOD or PCOS? It stands for polycystic ovarian syndrome. Actually, it will be affect the outer region of the ovaries. Here, the function of the ovaries will be affected. These important features are luteinizing hormone secretion will be increased, androgen hormone will also be increased, in blood insulin level will also be raised, and finally it leads to infertility. Next we move on to phase 2, causes and symptoms. Causes of this disorders are insulin resistance. It may occur due to the overweight. It may occur because of the stress or a depression. They may be affected by this PCOD. Then hyperfunction of thyroid gland due to a liver disease, excessive diet, which means they follow a strict diets in suddenly. It may also one of the reason. It may comes due to no physical activity. It may be a genetical problem also. All those things are the causes for this syndrome. Now we go to see the symptoms of this syndrome. There are so many symptoms are there. I'll tell only major symptoms of this syndrome. First one, irregular periods. It will be the common one. Next, hirsutism, which means unwanted hair growth. The next, irregular ovulation. It leads to infertility. Rapid weight gain also be occur. It leads to obesity. Heavy hair loss. You doesn't have energy to do work. These are the major symptoms of this syndrome. Now we move on to phase 3. Here we will discuss about prevention and treatment. Actual truth was we can't cure this syndrome, but don't afraid of this. We can able to cure the symptoms like hormonal imbalance through hormonal drugs. We can prevent the hair loss by the therapist. If you don't want to be pregnant, birth control pills can help to regulate the menstrual cycle. If you wish to be pregnant, fertility drugs may help you. IVF stimulation drugs can improve the fertility and helps in conception. Apart from this, lifestyle changes, healthy diet and exercise has shown to improve the conception chances in women. Okay guys, now we move on to phase 4. How? We control the symptoms by the diet. First, low glycemic index foods or helps to reduce the drastic increased level of insulin. These foods may help to secrete the insulin in gently. Next, fatty fishes like salmon, tuna, sardines. This can help from the inflammation. These fishes are acts like anti-inflammatory foods. We have to add lots of fiber in our diet and antioxidant rich foods like green leafy vegetables, fruits and vegetables. This may help to reduce the risk from our overweight, diabetes and hair loss, etc. Next, vitamins and minerals. Some iron, vitamin C, folic acid and vitamin B6 means pyridoxine rich foods like green leafy vegetables, guava, lemon, amla, pomegranate, dates can help to treat the irregular periods. Apart from this, you have to maintain your mind in peaceful. Daily do a simple exercise guys, and meditation will be the important thing. It will help you a lot. Okay guys, now we comes to end. May I think I gave a short and brief content about the PCOD. Do you have any doubts related to diets? Kindly put the comment section. I'll clarify your doubts. Okay friends, thank you. Subscribe for more videos guys. Thank you friends.